Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you where to find 3 online courses with certificate in 2026, how to choose the right ones, and how to actually use those certificates to your advantage. This video is especially useful if you are a student, beginner looking to upskill, a career switcher, or someone who wants certificates without paying thousands of dollars. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know which platforms matter, which certificates are worth your time, and how to avoid wasting effort on low value courses. Let's get started. First, do free certificates actually exist or matters? Let's clear this up immediately. A free certificate alone will not get you a job, but a free certificate combined with skills, proof of work, consistency can absolutely help you stand out. In 2026, employers care more about what you can do, what you've built, and how you think. Certificates help support that story, helps pave the way, not replace it. So the goal is not to collect certificates, the goal is to use them strategically. Category 1, tech and digital skills. Let's start with the most in-demand area, right? Google career certificates, free via scholarships and trials. Google still offers some of the highest quality beginner courses in digital marketing, data analytics, AI, IT support, UX design. You can often access these for free through financial aid, partner platforms, limited time trials. The certificates are respected because they focus on real world skills, not theory. Next website, Microsoft Learn, 100% free. Microsoft Learn is one of the best hidden gems in 2026. You can earn certificates in cloud fundamentals, Azure, AI basics, cybersecurity. All courses are free, self-paced, and backed by Microsoft. Some models even prepare you for paid professional exams if you choose to take them later. Okay. Category 2, business, marketing, and freelancing. This is where many beginners start, right? So we're going to go to the HubSpot Academy. HubSpot offers a completely free certificate in digital marketing, content marketing, SEO, and email marketing, CRM basics, right? These certificates are widely recognized in marketing roles and freelancing profiles. They're especially useful if you are applying for internships, starting freelance work, building a marketing portfolio. Meta Blueprint. Meta Blueprint provides free courses on Facebook ads, Instagram marketing, ads strategy, business manager basics. While not all certifications are free, many learning paths are, and they are extremely practical. If you want to work with meta ads, this is a must. Category 3, programming in data. We're gonna go to the Free Code Map, right? Free Code Map remains one of the best free learning platforms in the world. You can earn certificates in web development, JavaScript, Python, data analysis. What makes Free Code Map powerful is that you build real project. Certificates are earned through practice. Everything is completely free. Employers value this because you can show your work, not just a PDF. Kaggle Learn. If you're interested in data science or AI, Kaggle Learn offer free micro courses. Topics include Python, SQL, machine learning. You get certificates, hands-on notebooks, which matter more than theory. Next, universities or academic platforms. You can go to the Coursera platform, right? Free via financial aid. Many people don't realize this, but Coursera allows you to apply for financial aid, access full courses and certificates for free. Courses come from top universities, Google, IBM, Meta. It takes effort, but the certificates are legitimate and respected. Okay, EDX, audit plus free certificates via programs. EDX allows you to audit courses for free, learn from universities like Harvard and MIT. Some partner programs and initiatives provide free certificates, especially for learners from developing regions. Now, category number 5, soft skills and productivity. LinkedIn Learning offers free trials and programs. LinkedIn Learning offers business skills, communications, leadership, productivity. While normally paid, you can often access it through free trials via libraries or institutions. Certificates automatically appear on your LinkedIn profile. How to choose the right free course. Here's how to avoid wasting time. Choose courses that teach specific skill, include projects or exercises, come from recognized platforms, align with your career goal. Avoid generic motivation courses, platforms with no credibility, certificates with no skills behind them. Depth beats quantity. And how to use certificates properly. This is where most people fail. Don't just download the certificate and move on. Instead, add it to your LinkedIn page, right? If you have a LinkedIn account, add it to the LinkedIn with context. Mention what you learned, not just the title. Add hashtags to bring the most audience. Build something using the skill. Talk about it in interviews. Certificates open doors only when paired with proof. Okay. A final part, smart learning plan for 2026. Here's a simple plan that you can follow through. Right? Month 1, pick one skill, choose one platform, finish one course. Month 2, apply what you learned, build something small. Month 3, take another related course, improve your project. This approach compounds fast. Right? Final thoughts. Free online courses in 2026 are more powerful than ever if you use them correctly. You don't need expensive degrees to start. You need direction, consistency, real skills. Certificates are tools. How you use them determines their value. If you found this walkthrough helpful, like the video, subscribe, and comment below which skill you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.